Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the how mobile circuits work. I am going to tell you about something which are very basic in nature in the mobile repairing. So first of all, we will see how the mobile repairing works. So I hope you are going to learn a lot from this. Now I am going to open Borneo. Borneo Schematics is a tool from which we can see the schematic diagram, layout, component names, and how the current and the voltage travels in the circuit. So we are going to open this Borneo schematic. As you can see, so here you can see, so we are going to go through some components. Like you can see from here, we can go to the mobile section. Here we will go in the mobile phone solution. Then we can select the particular model on which we want to work. For example, you can see here are a lot of models which you can see. And after selecting the particular model, for example, if I'm selecting Samsung, so in Samsung, you can see we have the A series, B series, and all the series here. So whatever the mobile belongs to, whatever the series, we have to select that particular series. For example, if I am going to open M21, then I have to select M series, and then we have to see where is the M21. So M21 has the two models, M215 and 215F. So I'm going to open as Samsung M21 and 215F. So friends, here we are going to get some things. For example, the bitmap, diode, hardware solution, schematic, thermistors, and voltages. So here I'm going to explain you each and everything one by one. In the bitmap, this is a very important tool. Here you can see that only the main board layout diagram and the bitmap diagram is shown. So from here we can see the whole main component. Before going to this, we are going to see the component name. So first of all, we will go to the hardware solution. Then we will go to the component name. So friends, from here we can detect what are the different types of components, what are the different types of ICs, ICs name will be shown here. So from here we will be able to know what is the IC number of that particular component. First of all, you should know what are the different sections of the mobile motherboard. So here you can see, for example, I'm going to tell you some basic things. For example, you can see that here is an IC whose part number is 79681. Here is a PA. Here is this ear jack. This is the SIM card. SIM card 1, SIM card 2, SD card can also be installed there. This is the LCD light IC. Here you can see that this is the Exynos chipset. And this connector are the back camera connector, which is of the 8 megapixel. Here you can see the connectors. These connectors belong to the back camera, which is of the 48 megapixel. Similarly, the back camera of 5 megapixel. Here you can see the audio IC. So this can be the audio PA or the audio IC. Later we will find out because Borneo shows both the ICs as the audio IC. Here is the sub mic. Here is the sub front camera. You can see here is the Wi-Fi IC. This is also PA. This is also a PA. So here we are going to different what kind of PA is this. So is it a 2G PA or a 3G PA? Similarly, we can see that we have the Wi-Fi IC, B2B connector, charger, LCD connector, and battery. Here we can see the fingerprint connector, on-off connector, and similarly power ICs and the different types of ICs you can see this. Okay, this is the storage, eMMC or UFS. So in this way, we can find out where are the basic components which we are going to see in the motherboard. So friends, wherever the problem is, we will first find out which IC is there in the motherboard, which is in our particular model. Then after selecting that particular IC, we will work on that. So from today onwards, I am going to tell you each and every section, and I hope you are going to enjoy a lot. Thanks for watching Salam Infotech.